DroneDeploy launches new grant initiative to support nonprofit organizations using reality capture technology. DroneDeploy.org has announced the Resilient Futures Technology Grant Program, offering up to $75,000 in grants to eligible nonprofit organizations in 2024. This initiative seeks to foster inclusion and enhance outcomes for under-resourced communities by utilizing reality capture technology. The program aims to support organizations that address critical challenges in both built and natural environments. Supporting innovation and resilience, DroneDeploy.org's new grant program is focused on fostering radical inclusion and urgent solutions, according to the organization's announcement. The goal is to invest in innovative approaches that help build resilient futures. The program prioritizes organizations that leverage reality capture technology, such as drones and cameras, to address issues like disaster preparedness, climate resilience, and environmental monitoring. Grants will range from $10,000 to $20,000, with recipients also receiving up to 5 DroneDeploy product licenses and product support. These grants are unrestricted, allowing organizations the flexibility to use the funds where they are most needed. Recipients are expected to integrate DroneDeploy's technology into their programs within a year of receiving the grant. In addition to financial support, grantees will benefit from product training, thought leadership, and the amplification of their work. The program is designed to create partnerships that expand the impact of reality capture technology in under-resourced communities. Application and evaluation criteria eligible organizations include tax-exempt 501c3, public charities, and private foundations, as well as equivalent organizations outside the United States. DroneDeploy is open to funding both established and emerging organizations that meet the eligibility criteria. Applications will be evaluated based on 3 key criteria. Tangible impact. The organization's work must address a pressing community challenge and demonstrate quantifiable, tangible outcomes. Focus on vulnerable communities. The program should directly benefit individuals or communities facing inequities related to environmental conditions or resource distribution. Integration of reality capture technology. The organization must use DroneDeploy's technology within a year of receiving the grant, with the option to purchase additional tools using the unrestricted funds. DroneDeploy will maintain a close partnership with grantees, requiring quarterly meetings and a brief report at the end of the 12-month grant period. Grantees are also expected to provide a short video update detailing the outcomes achieved through the grant. Empowering nonprofits to drive change, the Resilient Futures Technology Grant Program exemplifies DroneDeploy's commitment to supporting innovative solutions for vulnerable communities. By offering both financial support and access to advanced technology, the program enables nonprofits to expand their impact and contribute to building a more resilient future. Nonprofits interested in applying can find more information and submit their applications on the DroneDeploy.org website.